All right, our spotlight on Clark County takes us to an historic trail that's getting some new foot traffic.
I stopped by Buffalo Ridge Ranch, where one family is returning America's original keystone species to its roots.
A historic homecoming is happening along the Buffalo Trace, the ancient path wild buffalo once carved through this region.
They were here before we were.
They, as in America's original keystone species, the wild buffalo, which once thundered through Clark County. Historians say massive herds followed a natural corridor from the Salt Licks of Kentucky to the prairies of Illinois.
And that's our goal, is to return the history from the grasses to the animals.
For Jo Staats, the mission grew from something more personal. After her husband was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis, they decided to change their diet, even raising their own source of protein. But along the way, a lifestyle change evolved into a passion for preservation. So they packed up their farm in Tennessee and headed north, following the trail that led them back to the foundation herd at Blackfish Bison Ranch here in Winchester.
So when we loaded them up and brought them up the interstate in trailers, I had to laugh and think, boy, they've really got it made nowadays. They don't have to walk all those miles anymore.
Today, the free-roaming herd grazes through continuous pastures.
We keep things as natural as we can and as wild and free as possible.
But it's hard not to get attached. From the 1,500-pound bulls to the days-old calves.
Oh, look at the baby. Oh, everybody left me. I was sleeping.
Staats says life revolves around the herd, ensuring they're healthy and accounted for.
If you look really close at her horns, you can see the very tips of them are really small, and then they bulge out because her nutrition improved.
By September, she hopes to open Buffalo Ridge Ranch to the public, with a focus on school groups and veterinary students.
Well, we hope it will be openly welcomed and folks will find some peace from it that we get to enjoy every day.
Buffalo Ridge Ranch will be posting updates on their opening to their social media.
Okay, a look at your full forecast coming up after the break.